Today we are now going to discuss isomorphic binary structure. Next point, isomorphic binary structure. Isomorphic binary structure. In previous lecture, we seen definition of binary structure and algebraic structure. Here we discuss isomorphic binary structure. Definition of isomorphic binary structure. Definition: let algebraic structure G star and G dash star dash be binary algebraic structure, be binary algebraic structure, be binary algebraic structure, an isomorphism of an isomorphism of G with G dash is a one-to-one function phi mapping S onto G onto G dash such that phi of x star y equal to phi of x star dash phi of y for all xy belongs to G. This is homomorphism property. Okay. This is homomorphism property. This is definition of isomorphic binary structure. When a two algebraic structure is isomorphism with binary operation star and star dash respectively is isomorphism if given function phi defined from G to G dash such that this function is phi function is 1 1 onto and homomorphism. Then we satisfy these three properties. Then given two sets with binary operation star and star dash is isomorphism. If such a map exists, then G and G dash are isomorphism, isomorphic binary structure. Okay. If that is phi from G to G dash be a function which satisfies three conditions, or a function be a function is 1 1 or 1 to 1 onto and homomorphism, then phi is isomorphism, and G and G dash are isomorphic G and G dash are isomorphic binary structure. It is denoted by and it is denoted by G isomorphic G dash, omitting or deleting the operation star and star dash. Okay, this is definition of isomorphic binary structure. What is definition of isomorphic binary structure? If phi from G to G dash be a function which satisfy or which given function is exist, that is which satisfy which is 1 to 1 onto, which is 1 to 1 onto and homomorphic, then G and G dash are isomorphic binary structure. Okay, this is definition of isomorphic binary structure. How to show that binary structure are isomorphic? Condition of binary structure of isomorphic. How to show? Any example point? How to show binary structures are isomorphic. This is point of. Let two structures, two algebraic structure G star and G dash star dash are isomorphic when first, how to show this isomorphic when, or step first, this is how to show isomorphic two structure are isomorphic. Step first, define the function phi, define the function phi that gives the isomorphism of that gives the isomorphism of G with G dash. Okay, this means that we have to describe in some fashion what phi of s is to be for yes, for every yes or x, choose any notation for element for every x belongs to G. Okay, this is first definition, means that define function phi, any function such that choose any function such that here phi from G to G dash, define, how to defining function phi of x equal to x square or x or x cube. Okay, this is defining function. First step to show G and G dash are isomorphic binary structure, first define function phi from G to G dash. Okay. Next, second step. Step second. Show that given defined function. Phi is a one-to-one function. That is how to show one-to-one function. Suppose that phi of x equal to phi of y. In G dash, and deduce that or show that x equal to y in G. Okay. Step. Next, step third. Show that phi is onto. That is to show for y belongs to G dash, there exists x belongs to G such that phi of x equal to y. Okay, this is definition of onto. And step fourth, show that phi of x star y equal to phi of x star dash phi of y for all xy belongs to G. Okay, this is these four steps to show G and G dash are isomorphic binary structure or not. Okay, first step is defining function. First given function, first we define function and then show given defined function is one-to-one. How to show given function is one-to-one onto. Okay, here for one-one and for onto. Okay, how to show defining function is suppose here we define function phi from set of real number to set of real number. Okay, that means that G equal to set of real number and G dash also equal to set of real number. Okay, here function is defined phi of x equal to x or x cube. Okay, phi of x equal to x cube. Here we define means that given function is 1 1. When it is 1 1, if this is how to show given function is 1 1, phi of x equal to phi of y, where x y belongs to set of real number, and to show that x equal to y. Here function is defined x cube, phi of x value is x cube, phi of y value is y cube, and which implies that x equal to y. Therefore given function is phi is 1 1. And similarly for onto, here given function is x cube. Let for x belongs to set of real number, there exists cube root of x such that there exists cube of root x in R such that phi of cube root of x equal to x, means that here value of phi of cube root of x is cube root of x cube equal to x, which implies that value is x. Therefore one of the element in set of real number R exists, that is cube root of x is exist in set of real number which satisfy phi of x equal to x cube. Okay, therefore given function is onto. This is procedure to find given function is 1 1 or onto. And homogeneous is very simply. Okay, here some examples in how to show given function or given algebraic structure is isomorphic binary structure or isomorphic or not. Okay, examples or question: determine whether the given map phi is an determine whether the given map phi is an isomorphism of the first binary structures with the second. Okay, first example, let G equal to algebraic structure Z with respect to addition with G dash equal to Z set of integer with respect to addition, where here function is defined where phi of n equal to minus n or all n belongs to set of integer Z. How to show given G and G dash are isomorphic binary structure or not? Here three conditions. Four conditions. First, function is defined. Here function is already defined. Okay, next, here only three conditions are checking. How here we given function is 1 1 onto or homo, 1 1 onto and homo. Okay, first we check given function is 1 1 or not. Okay, let phi from Z to Z defined by, let phi be the function from Z to Z defined by phi of n equal to minus n. Here to show, what is show? To show phi is an isomorphic binary structure or isomorphism. Okay, first to show phi is 1 1. Okay, here phi is defined phi of n equal to minus n. How to show given function is 1 1? Let n belongs to set of integer. Any two integer are given in set of integer such that phi of n equal to phi of m. Okay, and what is value of phi of n is minus n, and what is value of phi of m equal to minus m, which implies that n equal to m. Therefore phi is 1 1. Okay, next for phi is onto. How to show given function is onto or not? Here let for n belongs to set of integer z, means codomain z, such that or there exist minus n belongs to set of integer z, such that phi of minus n equal to n. Okay, here minus 1 is one of the element in z which satisfies this condition phi of n equal to minus n, because value of phi of minus n equal to minus of minus n, which implies that n means all elements of in codomain z there are pre-image in set of integer z, means domain in means pre-image in domain. That means 1 1 means what is mean by what is definition of 1 1? 1 1 means for every element in domain there are exactly one image in codomain. This is definition of 1 1. Okay, and now definition of 1 2 is for every element in codomain. For every element in codomain, there are pre-image in codomain. Sorry, pre-image in domain. For every element in codomain, there are pre-image in domain. This is definition. Here minus n integer is exist in set of integer domain. And therefore, we satisfy this condition, and therefore phi is onto. Therefore, phi is onto. Next, now third condition to satisfy. Let xy belongs to set of integer z, which implies that addition of two integer is again an integer. Okay, which implies that x plus y is again an integer which also belongs to z. When I apply this phi is on that integer, means that phi of x plus y equal to, what is the value of this phi of x plus y is minus x plus y. You want how to given value is phi of x plus y is function is defined phi of n equal to minus n. Therefore phi is applied on x plus y, we get a value of minus of x plus y. Okay, then we solving this minus x minus y, which can be written in the form minus x plus minus y. And what is value of minus x? Minus x value is phi of x and phi of y, which is therefore phi of x plus y equal to phi of x plus phi of y. And therefore given function phi is homo. Okay, therefore given function phi is homomorphism. Therefore z plus and set of integer z plus and set of integer z plus are isomorphic binary structure, or binary structure are isomorphic. Okay, isomorphic binary structure. Okay, now next how to show given algebraic structure are not, or given algebraic structure are not isomorphic or isomorphic. Here remark or not remark. Okay, here remark is first is necessary condition for to show by isomorphic binary structure. Here remark is the necessary condition, the necessary condition for the isomorphism of two sets is the cardinality of that sets or of that two sets is same. Okay, that is if the cardinality of two sets A and B is same or is different, is same or not same is different, then they are not isomorphic. Okay, then they are not isomorphic. If the cardinality is same, then check other three condition or four condition. Function phi is defined 1 1 on 2 and homo. If the cardinality is not same, given two sets are where cardinality is not same, that means it means that number of elements which is given set is countable or not. Their cardinality means number of elements in that set are defined or not. If cardinality are given sets is same, then check other 4 conditions. If cardinality are 2 sets is not same, then other 4 condition or 3 condition there is no need to check. Given function is not isomorphic if cardinality not same. If the cardinality is same, then check other 3 condition, 1 1 on 2 and homomorphism. Okay. Examples. Example: each set of integer q plus and set of integer r plus is means r is isomorphic. Justify. Here given set q is countable, means that there is some cardinality. Okay, countable means q has, suppose that q has cardinality is x naught, but q is countable. Given q set is countable, therefore q has some cardinality, but set of real number is not countable, means that their number is not countable. Therefore cardinality of r is not equal to x naught, means that their cardinality is not same. Given q is countable and r is uncountable. Countable means there are numbers are counted. Some numbers are given number are measurable. Okay, therefore q is countable, therefore q has some cardinality, and given set r is not countable, means that given set r is union of q and means that rational number q and q complement, and q complement number is given q complement set is uncountable. Therefore given set r is uncountable and q is countable. There are some cardinality, something x naught means cardinality of z plus. Okay, therefore given set r is not countable or uncountable, and therefore there are no cardinality or their cardinality is infinity. Therefore given set q and r has no same cardinality. Therefore q and r, therefore algebraic structure q plus and r plus are not isomorphic. Another condition for this, how to show given sets are given algebraic structure are isomorphic or not.